This is hot test. Listen careful to the information presented. Over the past few days, the fog has appeared to have grown, spreading across the U.S. The fog has also begun to damage properties. Block these entrances with end materials in your home. Dispatch teams will be arriving at the area. Enter the helicopter as stealthy and fast as possible. The helicopters will include canned foods, water bottles, and med kits. Do not bring all your belongings. Only bring the ones necessary. It is advised you start packing up now. Dispatch will arrive at 9:30 a.m. Dispatch has failed. There is no way to stop the fog. The fog has grown significant and has reached Illinois. In order to protect yourself from the fog, enter your basement and don't let an outdoor airflow in. Air quality has significantly decreased. Continue to ration food. New dispatch will arrive at 12:30 a.m. Do not exit your home at any time. Do not trust anything asking you to get in a dispatch. If you do meet these, remember that these are entities from the FOG. Entities from the fog are extreme aggressive and strong. They speak English in a raspy voice. Remember you have to be quiet. Do not answer the door. These can easily break into your house. Start packing. Prepare for the next wave of dispatch.